You are watching this video right now because somewhere in the back of your mind, you believe that a beautiful home should not cost you a fortune. And you are absolutely right. What if I told you that in 2026, you can own a stunning, modern, fully finished prefab modular home for under $90,000? No, not a shack, not a trailer. I am talking open-plan living spaces, sleek kitchen finishes, high ceilings, energy-efficient systems, and a design that your neighbors will genuinely stop to stare at. Today, we are going inside the world of luxury prefab modular homes under $90,000, and we are going to tell you the truth about what that budget actually gets you, what it does not, and exactly where you need to go to make this a reality. Stay with us to the very end of this video because we will be naming real companies where you can get these homes, with their websites and what to expect from each one. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans, the channel dedicated to helping everyday people build and own beautiful homes without losing their minds or their savings. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right now so you never miss a video like this one. What is a prefab modular home? Now let us get into it. First things first. What exactly is a prefab modular home? A modular home is a house that is built in sections inside a controlled factory environment and then transported to your land where it is assembled on a permanent foundation. Because it is built indoors, weather does not delay construction, material waste is drastically reduced, and the quality control is often far superior to what happens on a traditional job site where workers are rushing through mud and rain. The result is a home that looks, feels, and legally qualifies exactly like a site-built house. It can get a traditional mortgage, it appreciates in value, and it is built to the same local building codes as any other home in your neighborhood. The honest truth about advertised prices. Now here is where most people get confused, and we want to be completely honest with you from the start. When you see a prefab modular home advertised at $60,000 or $75,000, that price is almost always referring to the base module price only. That means the sections of your home as they leave the factory, before delivery, before foundation, before utility hookups, before site preparation, and before any finishing work. By the time you account for all of those costs, your total project investment typically lands somewhere between $120,000 and $200,000 or more depending on your land, your location, and your choices. So why are we titling this video Luxury Prefab Homes Under $90,000? Because the base unit price is the most meaningful comparison point between manufacturers. The cost of your foundation, your land prep, your utilities, and your local permits will vary wildly depending on where you live, what kind of soil you have, and how far you are from existing infrastructure. What you can control and compare is the price of the home itself. And within that number, there is a remarkable amount of luxury available under $90,000. What $90,000 actually gets you in 2026? Let us break down what $90,000 in base module costs can actually get you in 2026. At the lower end of this range, from about $30,000 to $50,000 for the base unit, you are looking at compact homes in the 400 to 800 square foot range. These are single-bedroom or studio configurations that are finished beautifully. We are talking polished concrete or luxury vinyl plank flooring, modern cabinetry, quartz countertops in some models, large windows that flood the interior with natural light, and clean architectural lines that look completely at home in a high-end short-term rental catalog. In fact, many buyers in this price range are not even using these as primary residences. They are placing them on land they already own, listing them on Airbnb, and generating income every single month. In the mid-range of the budget, from $50,000 to $75,000, you start entering genuinely impressive territory. At this level, many manufacturers are delivering two-bedroom homes with full kitchens, open concept layouts, full bathrooms, and elevated design details. Some models come with lofted sleeping areas under skylights. Others include covered outdoor decks, tongue-and-groove wood ceilings, and finishes that honestly feel pulled from an architecture magazine rather than a budget build. The build quality at this price point has improved enormously over the past few years as factory precision and design software have both advanced. Then at the upper end of this budget, from $75,000 to $90,000, some manufacturers are delivering homes that genuinely have to be seen to be believed. You can find two-bedroom and even three-bedroom configurations with smart home technology already integrated, high-performance insulation packages that slash your energy bills, luxury bathroom fixtures, steel or wood exterior cladding, and modern flat or gabled roof designs that do not look like manufactured housing at all. They look like custom architecture. The real total cost picture. Now let us talk about the total cost picture so you walk into this with clear eyes. Beyond the base module price, here's what you need to budget for. Land preparation and site work typically runs between $4,000 and $11,000 depending on your lot. Your foundation, whether a slab, crawl space, or basement, will cost you anywhere from $6,000 to $20,000. Utility connections including water, sewer, electrical, and in some cases a well or septic system can range from $2,500 all the way to $25,000 or more if you are in a rural area. Delivery and installation of the modules themselves usually adds between $5,000 and $35,000 depending on how far the factory is from your property and the complexity of your site. Local permits and inspections will typically run $500 to $5,000. And if you want a driveway, landscaping, or deck, those are additional. So realistically, if your base unit is $70,000, your total turnkey project could land between $110,000 and $170,000 once everything is accounted for. Is that still a great deal compared to traditional construction? Absolutely. The average cost of building a site-built home in the United States in 2026 sits at roughly $300,000 before land. You are potentially cutting that number in half or better, and you are getting a home that is built faster, often more energy efficient, and designed to last just as long. The build time advantage. Another advantage that does not get talked about enough is build time. Traditional construction timelines average anywhere from 8 months to over a year. Modular homes are built in a factory in as little as 7 to 9 weeks. While your modules are being constructed inside the factory, your foundation is being poured on your land at the same time. That parallel process alone can shave months off your timeline, which means you are spending less on rent while your home is being built and moving into your new home sooner. Financing a prefab modular home. Financing is also more straightforward than people assume. Because modular homes are placed on permanent foundations, they qualify for conventional mortgages, FHA loans, VA loans, and USDA loans just like any site-built home. This is a key distinction from manufactured homes that sit on a steel frame chassis, which face different and often more restrictive lending rules. If you are buying a modular home on a permanent foundation, your bank is going to treat it just like any other house on your street. The companies where you can get these homes. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let us talk about the real companies where you can explore and purchase prefab modular homes, several of which have options starting well under $90,000 for the base unit. The first company to look at is Dwellito. Dwellito is a prefab home marketplace that brings together over 60 different modern prefab designs from multiple manufacturers into one browsable platform. You can filter by price, bedroom count, size, and design style. They have models starting from under $25,000 for the base unit all the way up into much higher ranges, and they provide transparent all-in budget estimates for each listing, including foundation, assembly, shipping, and site work. If you are at the very beginning of your research and want to see a wide range of what is available and at what price, Dwellito is genuinely one of the best places to start. The second company is Clayton Homes. Clayton is one of the largest home builders in the United States, and they have an entire curated collection of homes priced under $100,000. Their catalog spans manufactured and modular options, and while their base prices can come in well under $90,000 depending on the model and region, you will need to speak with a local Clayton retailer to get your full project estimate including delivery and setup. Clayton has been building homes for 70 years and has a national network of retailers, which means there is likely someone near you who can walk you through the process in person. The third company to explore is Champion Homes. Champion is another nationally recognized manufacturer with a broad range of modular and manufactured floor plans. Like Clayton, they operate through a network of local retailers and offer options at multiple price points. What sets Champion apart is the variety of their floor plans, from compact single-section homes to larger multi-section designs, and the degree to which buyers can customize finishes and layouts through their retail partners. The fourth company is Next Modular. Next Modular is a builder based in the Midwest that offers both turnkey home packages and home-only packages, depending on your budget and how much of the site work you want to handle yourself. Their floor plans are modern and well-designed, and for standard plans ordered today, they are showing estimated delivery windows within 2026. They also have real-time design tools that let you customize your layout, finishes, cabinetry, and exterior details before you commit. Their process is very transparent and buyer-friendly. The fifth company worth looking at is Irontown Homes. This Utah-based builder specializes in fully custom luxury modular homes and has built stunning residences throughout the western United States, including properties in Park City, Moab, Beverly Hills, and various locations in California, Colorado, and Texas. While their larger custom projects go well above the $90,000 base price range, their smaller guest cabana and cabin designs start at lower price points that can fit within or near our budget ceiling. If you are looking for the absolute top end of design quality in the prefab world, Irontown is a name worth knowing. The sixth company is IdeaBox, based in Salem, Oregon. IdeaBox takes a modern and sustainability-focused approach to prefab homes. Their homes start at around 400 to 500 square feet and scale up to about 1,600 square feet. Each home is built with engineered open web trusses, high R-value insulation, low-emission dual-pane windows, and Energy Star certified appliances. Their smaller models are well within the under $90,000 conversation and offer a genuinely high design aesthetic that is refreshingly different from the typical prefab catalog. The seventh company to check out is Spazio. Spazio is a prefab marketplace and comparison resource that has curated a list of luxury prefab models priced under €100,000, many of which are accessible in North American markets or have comparable products available through their network. Their listings include models like the Cabin 1 Minimal House, the Nordic Plus, and the Novatech Unimod 55, all of which are positioned as genuine luxury products despite their sub-100K price tags. The site is a great visual resource for exploring what elevated prefab design actually looks like at this price point. The honest reality of prefab in 2026. Here's the honest reality of where we are in 2026. The stigma around prefab and modular housing is dissolving rapidly, and for good reason. The quality coming out of modern factory construction is simply extraordinary compared to where it was even a decade ago. Designers are building into these homes the kind of architectural character that previously required a six-figure custom build and a year of your life. Energy performance has improved across the board, with many manufacturers now delivering homes with insulation packages and window systems that significantly outperform traditionally built equivalents. And smart home integration is increasingly coming standard at the mid and upper tier of the under $90,000 base price range. What has not changed is the need to do your homework. Get multiple quotes. Be very clear on what is included in any advertised price. Ask specifically about delivery radius from the factory, whether site prep and foundation are included or quoted separately, what the local permit process looks like in your county, and how long the current lead time is from order to delivery. Those questions will save you from budget surprises and set you up for a smooth build. The bottom line is this. A luxury prefab modular home under $90,000 in base module price is absolutely real in 2026. It is not a myth, it is not a compromise, and it is not a consolation prize for people who cannot afford a real home. It is a smart, forward-thinking way to own a beautifully designed, energy-efficient, permanently founded home at a fraction of what traditional construction would cost you. The companies we named today are all real, all actively building, and all worth a serious conversation if this is a path you are considering. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up right now. It helps more people like you find this information, and it helps us keep making content like this. Subscribe to Affordable Homes and Plans if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so you are the first to know when we drop our next video. Drop a comment below and tell us which company caught your eye the most, and let us know what kind of home content you want us to cover next. We read every comment and we build our videos around what you ask for. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.